unfortunately didn't get to see it at apparently 11:30 a.m. the other day, whenever it was passing by. But an asteroid the size of a delivery truck apparently passed the Earth in closest ever recorded encounter, which I think these stories are good because it kind of highlights that, there's a very active solar system out there, and we're potentially could be hit by any number of threats. Obviously a nice big rock slamming into us wouldn't be a good thing, but it also kind of highlights that I don't know whether you'd call it like it's flying under the radar, not no pun intended there, that NASA and all them are actually keeping an eye on this stuff. And when you think of that story last year where they targeted an asteroid to see if they could hit it, that there must be some thinking going on, from a continuity perspective, getting some plans in place to figure out how to deal with these things, because we've had a good run. We haven't had a big asteroid impact at all that has affected us, but that doesn't mean to say that tomorrow it might not happen.
Look, absolutely. And I think, well, maybe 40 years ago, these near misses were happening and we wouldn't even have suspected it. And I think what this shows, is, as you point out, is that, thanks to Deep Impact and Armageddon from Hollywood, we've had enough funding flow through to these asteroid, warning systems, and they're incredible. They can, although this was observed by an astronomer, but it can be tracked now. They can calculate where it will go and what will happen to it afterwards, what its orbit will be, and if there'll be any future concerns. So, it just goes to show you how advanced these systems are now. And I guess there's a real concern at some levels that we could go the way of the dinosaurs if we don't know what's out there and what's coming our way.
Well, I guess it'll be a test of our, collective growing intelligence as a species, which apparently is unique for us here on this world. That if we can beat it, that would be quite a monumental achievement if we deflected a planet killer, for instance.
Well, that's right. So, apparently we're due for a big impact at some point. So I guess we'd better be prepared.